Hi my friends, today we model this part which is the pressure relay body. The drawing is here with all dimensions. You see details D here, E here. I work hard to create these drawings, but how could I transfer information to you without drawings, my friends? Let's start. The first sketch will be this pseudo-rectangular contour with dimensions 140, 134, a radius of 73 to this and this arcs, and the height of 75. Okay, new standard millimeters IPT. Start to the sketch. This plane X to the right, and we create that rectangle with dimensions 134 tab 140. We place it somewhere here and we apply vertical, horizontal, then a circle with a radius, a circle with the center in the center point and with the radius of 73. Now we have a combination of lines here, a lot, so that we we trim each of that lines and arcs. You can use another procedure, of course. These 2 points are not important now, and we have 10 dimensions needed. This is one alignment. This is also aligned, and aligned. Now we have 6 dimensions needed. Then we create equal arcs, equal with the same radius, of course. And now we have only 3 dimensions needed. This is 73, and we make equal this with this. This means we have a center on the horizontal, and this with this equal up. Fully constrained sketch, finish sketch, and extrude. 75 symmetrical, 75. Okay, now we take a look at the drawing and we see radius 12. This is a fillet of 12 and also the other corners. Okay, then we create this extension with dimensions here 26, 20, 76 for these centers, radius 8 on the left and right, radius 6 at the connection with the previous pseudo rectangular body. The depth or the length is 48. We use this face. We create a rectangle based on this line, projected line. We apply fillets of 8 to have centers, you see, 8. To this corner and this corner. Then dimensions 26 and 20. 26 is this. And 20 is between the centers or arcs. 20. The other distance is from the center to the center point on vertical, 76. Good. We have here a small corner. Let's project this arc. Project, and we apply split. Split and split. Why? Because I want to make this construction. Now finish sketch, because we have a fully constrained sketch, and extrude this close contour on this direction, and the depth or the height is 48. Okay, then we see that there are fillets, this one and this two. Good. We select this corner to apply radius 6, and also this corner with 6. Then another fillet to this bottom edge. Okay. To finish this feature, we take a look here and we see that there are two threaded holes with 10 millimeters for the thread, 14 for the depth, and metric 5. Let's place these two small holes. Now we have centers and we apply hole. What kind of hole? They are placed here and there. Fillet. Oh, they are already selected, but let me select also this point. Yes, 10, 14, metric 5, normal pitch, not full depth because there is a difference between them. We also see here 0.5 45 as a chamfer, edge, chamfer 0.5 to both. Okay. Then also to finish with the small problems, we see 4 holes of 14. I create another sketch, go back and apply hole on this 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 points without thread through of 14 millimeters. Yes. Now we create this revolving feature with dimensions of 15 degrees, 12, 7, and diameter of 131. Only external, yes, without this cut, only external. The plane is XY. F7, and we draw a line from this center to the right, up, back, and close. Then dimensions 12, 7, 131, but let me change this to center line, and now 131, 131, and the angle of 15. Finish sketch. Revolve. Okay. Now if you take a look to this external, they are the same. If we have no dimensions here, this is what we understand. The external shape from here is the same with this. I'll create this cut firstly, then I mirror this external feature. What about that cut? The center of this radius is in this point, and the value is 2.25 and 45 degrees. Again, XY plane, F7, I project 1, 2 lines. They are construction lines. Circle with the radius 2.25. Then 2 tangents. Keep pressed the left button somewhere on the circumference and go to somewhere. It is tangent. Restart. Keep pressed the button and see that we can draw now a parallel because Inventor knows what I did. You see? Parallel with the other one. 45 is the angle here, and now trim this end line, trim this and these 2 arcs. I draw 2 lines, 1 and 2 to have a close contour. Finish sketch, revolve. This is already selected, and now the axis, which is Y. The axis Y. Cut, not join. You see, this is the new feature. Now, as I said, I apply mirror of 1, 2 features about this midplane. Okay, we have the same picture on the bottom. Next is the internal volume, which has dimensions from here. Look at my trajectory. Yes, here. All of this is hollow. Good. And where are dimensions? Dimensions are also on these 2 details. 119, 6 is this, 7 like outside is all the depths, and then here another revolving contour, 5 with 27, 18. This is a small cut of 1.5 distance and width, diameter of 19.5, radius 10, this is 2.5, then 4 millimeters, then a diameter of 94, an angle of 35 degrees, radius 6, radius 8. We go to the detail and we have radius 8, radius 2, radius 2, 90, and the other dimensions you have here all the data, and 60 degrees here. Okay, XY plane, sketch, F7, home, project this line and this line, connect their centers with a center line, make these two as construction and the axis as center line. Then we draw lines. The first is this one, then another one sloped to somewhere here, then vertical, then to the left, down, left again, down here to the right. I keep press the left button and I draw an arc up, right, and somewhere here. We start with angles. This is 25. This was not vertical, we make it vertical. Good. Then the other angle is 35. I erase this line, we don't need it, and we place dimensions. This is radius 10. This is a diameter of 119. 119. This is 94. This is 27. And this 18. I apply fillet of 2.5 at this corner and a diameter of 30. This is 28, right, 28. This is 6, 7, 5 is here, and also 5 is here. Two dimensions from the drawing. This is 4 and what else? This is not defined. Okay, we go further. Further is to create that small cut here with dimensions, but let me split this line to create a segment which must be construction. Dimensions are 1.5 and 1.5. diameter is 19.5. Now I make smaller this line and I continue from that point down to somewhere here, horizontal, vertical, left, down, left, down. I don't want to have any connection with lines here. I delete this. Now I can move. Yes, line from this point, horizontal again. This is an important line there. I eliminate it and I can move this. Vertical and sloped. Now I close this contour. Fillet 2 in this corner of 2 and this corner. Now I apply fillet 8. I am curious about this line. This is 12. Well, I apply fillet of 8 from the drawing at this corner. Then I eliminate this segment and I put together these 2 points. They must be tangent. Now they are. Good. This point has a dimension of this connection point, but I want to be the same vertical. This point to be on the same vertical with this. Now I place here dimension of 5. And an important dimension is this one, my friends, 75. It was placed by the designer and we have to respect. That is this one. Yes? Dimension from this button with this upper line of 75. Then our dimensions: angle of 16, dimension of 4 on vertical, then 10 between these two, 4 is this, and now diameters. This is 100, this small line is 100. This is 90. This from here is 95, and this is 80.5. only one dimension is needed. Let me see which is that dimension. Forgotten. But before I eliminate this line, which is parallel with this, but we can apply verticals very easily, and the radius 6 is here. Fillet 6 between these two, and there is a dimension which I missed. Well, let's use automatic dimensions. Apply. Oh yes, remove. This diameter is missing. This diameter, which is 50. Okay, there are many lines and we are excused. Finish sketch, revolve. You see, automatically we have this hollow internal volume. Okay, what is next? Next is this cut in 3 instances, 31 with radius 45.5. You see this here. Yes. Okay, let's see how to do this. We go to this face with a new sketch, F7, and we draw a circle with the radius it is, of 45.5, and 2 lines. One horizontal lines. This is not horizontal. Now it is. And another one, I place it special to be asymmetrical because I make them equal, this equal to this. And now they are symmetrical about this axis. You see, they are symmetrical. Yes. Dimension is 31. Finish sketch. Extrude. What to extrude? This. 2. You see, we can go through the part. We go to the part, to the first face of the part. Okay. Then I go back. Then circular pattern of the last feature about this axis. Not 6 but 3. Okay. Now I see here extrusion on 75 millimeters, but here must be 76. you see the drawing. Indeed, we have a 75 dimension, but that is for this small line. This face is longer, this edge is longer than 75. Yes, because 12 is this distance, and we have to subtract twice 12 from 100, and this means 76. There is no dimension here. The designer didn't place here a dimension of 75, because this is 76. This means that we have to modify the extrusion, double click, and to apply 76. Okay, let's see what about the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, paste. Oh, there is a very small difference at the 6th decimal. This is nothing. We eliminate the former value to have what we did. Yes. Now we apply material, which is steel cast, color, which is glossy gold, and we apply some aspects to some features. What aspect? The aspect is still polished. I keep pressed the left button to apply this, to select these faces, and now I apply steel carbon, steel polished, excuse me. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.